So today's debate,
Good morning, everyone.
over to Shivani. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are having a debate on the topic money can buy happiness.
Mhm.
Okay, so I'm starting. I'm in against to this topic because money cannot buy happiness. Yes, the point is true that when we are not having anything, and by having money, we can buy the things which we need. But it's not in every case, because if you are having a dreadful disease, so only the money is not money doesn't matter. After having so much of money, you cannot cure that disease. So this is my point of view. Ma'am, you are mute.
And now anybody who want to speak for the motion? Abhishek? Abhishek, Deepak and Setu. Please, somebody please take this forward.
Hello everyone, I am Setu here. Indeed, it's true that money can't buy happiness, but in 21st century, when competition is on peak level, everyone is running for money. Everyone is running for money. Everything, the world in 21st century is of materialistic. Materials are of great importance, and we can only buy material with money. For better education, for better facilities, money is necessary, I guess. This is my point of view.
Yes, next. Anamika? Now take this forward. No, I don't know. I don't want to call out your names.
Okay. I am Anamika Kumari and I am in happiness can't be bought for money. Once you allow money to become your source of happiness, you will never be satisfied. You will always want more money, and one day money will end. If money can be bought happiness, then money will end. Then your happiness will end for your point of view. Thank you.
Yes, you have a point. Yes, next. Next. Deepak or Abhishek. The debate has to be very vibrant. No? Why are you sitting quiet? Abhishek.
मैम मैम आप हमको बोल देंगे या फिर दो और अभिषेक है?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Okay,
So Anamika said that if money will end, happiness will also end. So what do you have to say to that?
ma'am, I just want to say that money can't buy happiness, but money give you happiness. Because in today's world, everyone is want luxury lives, luxury cars, luxury houses, वगैरह. So if you want to live a luxury life, so you have to go with money. Money, you can't buy happiness by money, but money can give you happiness. क्योंकि मैम आजकल क्या होता है कि मतलब आजकल के लाइफ में सब मतलब अगर कोई दुखी है तो वो इसलिए दुखी है क्योंकि वो अपना अच्छा लाइफ नहीं जी रहा है या फिर कुछ खरीद नहीं पा रहा है कुछ लग्जरी टाइप का। लेकिन अगर वो मनी उसके पास पैसा है तो मैम वो खुश है उसी चीज में, तो उसको उसको ये लगता है कि मनी बाय कर सकता है हैप्पीनेस, लेकिन मनी कांट बाय हैप्पीनेस बट मनी कैन गिव यू हैप्पीनेस। दिस इज माय पॉइंट ऑफ
As far as possible, try to speak English.
व्यू। यस बट
Yeah. Next. Yeah. Next.
Hello everyone, I'm Kamini here. As we see, today's topic is money can buy happiness or not. I think money cannot buy happiness because there are some moments where we need blessings more than money. As this present problem in Corona, we can see money is also necessary, but blessings of God's blessings of our parents needs more. So I can say that money is more. Money can not buy happiness because happiness is more important than money is more important than blessing. Blessings is more important than money. Sorry.
Mhm. Yes, now Deepak.
I
Okay, you can continue. Sanket, you want-
I completely agree with what Kamini said, but if we take an example of Corona itself, the vaccines are not made from blessings, I guess. The vaccine can be made from money. The government is providing you for free. It is another thing. But the materials which are required for vaccine itself can be bought from money only.
Yes, what do you have to say to that? The three of you?
Yes, yes, I'm agree with you, Setu. Lekin I think both are important. Blessings and money in these situations, both blessings and money both are important.
Mhm.
Ma'am, I just want to say that happiness is not any object that you want to you can buy. Actually, you can only buy any thing, any objects, not happiness, because happiness is not any object.
Exactly.
But from buying some object, certain object in such ways that those object can provide you some little happiness by those certain object.
Yeah.
Yeah, please prove
Yes.
your point. Yes, money can buy happiness. Prove your point.
As Abhishek says, money cannot buy in certain store or something like that, but we can buy some object or some things that by those things we can get some little happiness.
Yes,
This is my
that can give you happiness, but you can't buy happiness. That's what I think.
but you get it na.
Yeah, actually, I was saying the same. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All right. Others, please join in. Anamika, say something. Sanket has not spoken. Muhammad, Sadiq. Rakesh, please say something. Either for or against. Please speak.
Ma'am, money can buy happiness. The happiness with my happiness is when I want to trip at Dubai. The money is also the money is also
ठीक है. So you're proving that yes, money can buy happiness.
yes, ma'am. My happiness is not live with my family members or my friends. My real happiness is trip of Dubai, trip of America. The money is also money is only thing which can fulfill my need.
Okay. So yes, he thinks money can fulfill needs. Anamika, what do you have to say to him?
Ma'am, Ansu said money is fulfill your I agree with that. But when you come back our home, then
When you are agreeing to yes, money can buy happiness, then where's the debate here?
no ma'am, I मतलब इंग्लिश कैसे
कोई बात नहीं, आप जैसा भी आप बोलिए।
मैम जैसा कि उसने बोला कि उसका हैप्पीनेस है बाहर मतलब ट्रैवलिंग करना ये सब जगह, ठीक है। देन वापस लौट के अगर घर आता है तो फिर हैप्पीनेस तो वो थोड़े टाइम के लिए रहेगा कि वो ट्रैवल किया, ठीक है, हैप्पीनेस था उसका, लेकिन फिर वापस आएगा तो क्या होगा?
Yes, ma'am. We can say that money can buy happiness for just little moment,
यस
not
मैम,
for our lifetime.
यस मैम।
ऐसा
Yes,
कहाँ
ma'am.
किया कि मैम
I
सिर्फ छोटा सा मनी है, मतलब सिर्फ एक ही बार जाना, ज्यादा पैसा रहेगा हर बार जाएंगे, हर बार हैप्पीनेस रहेगा, घर में रहना जरूरी तो नहीं ना है।
no, but I think relationships are also most important instead of money, because relationship are the most consistent predictor of happiness, as we say. When we have people in our lives to whom we love, we are likely to be happy more than the money. If you are not having money but you are having the people whom you love, like your parents or any family members or anyone, your friends,
Can you
that's
give
something that
examples?
money can't buy.
Shivani, can you give examples?
Yes, ma'am. We can also give example. This festival season, like in Chhat Puja, when we are coming in our home, when we have all our family members together, then it's make this festival so momentous. We can't forget this happy moments. So this is proof that money cannot buy happiness for a long time. Yeah, we can say that it can buy happiness for a small bit, but not much else.
Yeah, okay. Rakesh Kumar, please say something. Ketu, do you agree to it that yes, such as festival we were all together and we were happy. So what do you have to say to that? Where is the money involved over here?
But ma'am, if we have not money, then what will we enjoy with our family member? Money is necessary.
Still money is necessary, right?
Yes, you can say money is necessary, but you can't say money is everything.
Ma'am,
Listen, we can be alive without family member, without relatives, but we can't still alive without money. Money is necessary, brother. If you have to fulfill anything you need, you have to earn money.
I'm agree with you, but I
Uh,
think when we have support of our family other than money, when we have not money but support, it makes
okay.
more great.
Okay, suppose your father is giving you blessing but not money. Will you
But
enjoy your life?
when my father is supportive, I can do anything. I can make money.
Yes,
Your father support you with money.
yes,
If my
if
father
you
will not
have
support,
Wait a minute.
if my father will not support with his blessing,
I
but
just
he
want to
will
say
give me
something.
money, I will be happy. I have nothing to worry. And I think it is with
Okay,
everyone.
so you are just because your father from your parents from money. If your father is not there, then no one. I mean, I just want to say that you are from your parents, your father. If you know your father, then मतलब तुम कहाँ से आओगे जब तुम्हारे parents नहीं आएंगे? तुम्हारे parents से
I'm
तब तुम
not
हो,
talking
तब
about
तुम्हारे तब
my
आगे पैसा
existence,
आता है.
brother. I'm not talking about my existence. I'm talking about how money is important.
Yes, money is important. That's what I want to say. But money is not everything.
But if my father
It
had
is
not money,
everything.
Yes, Kamini, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. As Abhishek says, money is not everything. It is. He is right, ma'am. He is against in the topic.
So Kamini has fallen. Yes, money can buy everything. So
Yes, ma'am. He
Ma'am,
should prove
ma'am, we
why
have to
Understanding.
understand.
money can buy
one
happiness.
person less.
No, ma'am, we have to understand that money is a medium. that we buy happiness, ma'am. In every conditions,
Mhm.
always money is a medium, ma'am.
All right. Then who's going to be
Let us suppose that any child
very
which is an orphan, he
people
has no
talking?
parents, he has no relatives,
Oh, okay.
but he have money, then he is happy.
Oh, chalo. And Rakesh Kumar, what do you say? Suman Kumari,
मैम
say something.
मैम money can't buy happiness. It turns out that is not entirely true. Money can buy a 10 degree of life satisfaction depending on how much wealth you have, the how you spend it. मैम पैसा से सारा खुशी नहीं खरीदा जा सकता है.
So Shivani, then one more supporter is money cannot buy happiness. Suman
Can you
Kumar,
give some examples, Rakesh?
It is the
please?
topic, brother. You have to give reason why money is important.
exactly. Always support your point with an example.
Yes.
Yes. Rakesh, please prove your point.
मैम my topic
Forgot your topic.
फंसा दिया यार.
No example.
Yes, ma'am. Example you.
Shivani, give an example. There, he is in your team, so give an example. Yes. Kamini,
Ma'am.
Shivani.
Ma'am,
Kamini has fallen. Yes, money can.
ma'am,
Ma'am, I would like to add one more point here. Money can't change your mindset. Your mindset has a significant impact on your happiness, and it's something that money it can't fix. So, if you are a glass empty person without a lot of money, chances are that even if you have a lot of money, you are that same similar person who is not who is having a lot of money and who is not having a lot of money.
Yes, ma'am.
Suman Kumari, please say something.
Yes, ma'am. There are many people in our society who can only ask those people to live like royal or feel comfortable with them. Let's take example. If you live like not live like royal, but you live with money, then you will not feel comfortable with any beggar or anyone who haven't any money. So money is important.
So yes, money is important to by dint of hard work, you will get money and money will give you happiness. So summing up to, yes, money can buy happiness. No, Shivani, things are falling apart, I think. You say something which something solid which we can turn the tables. Yeah. Rakesh, Shivani, Kamini.
ma'am, we can also take an example that someone's have high salary paying job, but someone's have low salary paying job, but which have a low salary paying job, he or she is living with her family with happiness, but which have high salary job, he or she is in so tension regarding work and so on. So also we can say that money is not important other than happiness, because small moments, small things can give you happiness other than money.
I partially agree with what Kamini said, but if we take an example of relationships or family relatives, so there is a moment which came in life in future when your parents had expectations from you, and that expectations I think can be fulfilled by money. What salary or what post you are on, they will sure ask in the return. So I think in one, not for only family members, if it is on in other relation, they demand something which can I think buy by money only.
Mhm.
Yes, I'm also agree with you, Setu. But I think my family or my relatives can't think that my daughter is doing job of high salary, paying high salary where, but also they want that my daughter live with us, for, spend some moment with us, not doing some great jobs, but also it is important for them that I'm making some moments for us which give us happiness or spend some time for them.
My point is everyone will support you until only up to a certain time. But there is a time came with and when only money will support you.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, this is also.
Yeah. Continue.
Ma'am, I want to say, if your family is not support you, then how can you earn money?
How can they support? Can they bless for me for my college fee? Can blessings be fulfilled? Can fulfill my college fee? Money can fulfill it.
You say money is not everything, then family is sometimes family is not supported you. Then what do
I'm saying family and relationships, they only support up to a certain time and they support with money and blessings too. But money is here more upward than relationships.
Mhm.
As we take an example of a boy in middle class, there will a time came up to around 25 when parents will ask, not only parents, the society will ask how much you earn, what designations you are, they will judge you. So if you are poor, nobody will support you, I guess.
Mhm.
But we can also see in our society that our parents or relatives say that why you are doing such a high paying salary job, why you are not living with us and do some work in our area. I can see this example. I can see
The thing you said is quite rare for the reality.
this.
Rare
No,
for
this is
reality.
not, this is also reality.
Okay.
Also in my family, I see.
All right. Yes, I have not spoken like in today's class. Mohammed Sadiq has not spoken at all. I'm giving marks to people who have participated. Like Mayank Kumar Srivastav has not spoken.
I want to speak.
Atish has not spoken today at all. Persons who have spoken are Setu, Anamika, Kamini, Shivani Mishra, Abhishek, to some extent Sanket also. A couple of lines, Suman Kumari and Deepak Raja also spoke. A couple of lines. Rakesh.
Ma'am, let's take an
All of you-
example.
Yes, you want to give some example?
If every one of my family member or our family member will left their job and they will sit together and share, how will they share their happiness without money?
Without money. So why togetherness without money, like, it doesn't make sense to me.
Yes.
तो मैम ऐसे तो बोल सकते हैं जैसे मनी मतलब
Yeah, mix
कमाना
in
कोई
Hindi nahi. Why are you coming in Hindi all the time?
sorry मैम
Great English more. Otherwise, very good going.
okay ma'am, so I was saying just like you stop earning money.
Mhm.
Okay, so you are stopping earning money, so you can, why you are not doing that breathing? You can stop breathing, just like you can stop earning money.
Mhm.
So money is important, just like breathing or anything. I just want to say, ma'am, कि every part of your life is important. whether it's money, it's relationship or anything. So you can
Brother,
say,
not earning money is also a death, a type of death. It is slow, but it is also a type of death. If you will not earn, you will not eat anything. You will also die, but it will take some time. Breathing is rapid, but not earning money is slow. But everything you do will take you to death.
Back to Shivani Mishra. Money can't buy happiness. Sum it up. So you still feel money can't buy happiness. Money can't buy happiness, right? They have proven their point. Money can't buy happiness. But your point was, yes, money, without money, you can be happy. Over to you, Shivani, Kamini, and Anamika. Things have fallen apart for you because majority of the students have spoken. Yes, money can buy happiness. So, what do you have to say? The final word is: do you agree, or do you still disagree?
no, actually,
No, ma'am.
I'm agree that money can buy happiness, but I'm not agree with money can buy everything.
No, Shivani
Or
Mishra,
every happiness.
he's leading with
Brother, the topic is money can buy happiness. We are not talking about other things, other factors. We are only talking about money.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
What
I
do you?
get it.
Do you still agree? Do you still disagree? What?
Yes, ma'am. We agree that money can buy happiness.
Okay, that's it.
But
Money can buy.
That's it.
I think the
No, ma'am. Money.
yeah.
No, ma'am. No. Money.
Students have spoken
Yes, mommy.
against the motion, and money can buy happiness. They win the debate today, and very good spoken, very well spoken, Setu and Abhishek and all this, and Abhishek, both Abhisheks, and of course, all of you spoke really well. And since this was the first.
In last, I will take an example. Please, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am,
Time over. Next topic.
Yes, what?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I was telling that money is let's suppose that money is your home, but any appliances you will buy is a type of relatives, your relatives. You can make your happy with both of them. Money is important, but the other factor is only to decorate your life. But money is important.
Exactly.
Without money, nothing.
One second, Abhishek.
Okay.
We cannot buy our feelings, our emotions, our members or our relatives from money. This is also a point.
I think relatives.
We can buy anything from money. Any
Only
gadgets,
relatives are not sufficient.
but we cannot buy feelings, emotions
Ma'am, please
from
stop
money.
it.
I think feelings, emotions, that is also a necessary
Can you buy love
part of our life.
Where you read that feeling is important for life? I have not seen it yet. No.
That is your point of view. But in my
so you
point
are
of view
without
also-
feeling here.
Yeah, we are
So
talking
you
about
are without feeling.
Can you buy feelings? Can you really?
Which type of feeling you are talking about?
Don't be so unemotional.
Any type of feelings
Which type
that
of
make you
feelings?
happy.
Which type? Feelings are feelings. What do you mean?
Yeah, I'm talking.
That
I will
makes you
happy.
happy.
I am happy because it's
When I,
natural phenomena.
You will happy till you have money.
If I have money, I am happy with my family. If I have money,
Abhishek is happy because he has Android phone and
Let's suppose if anyone's father death by chance, so he will think about him for 2 months. He will weep for him about for 2 months, but then he will spend his life. I know it's a little difficult, but he will trying to forget his relatives, anyone who gets death, and he will spend his life with money. So money is a factor. We have to
Yeah,
agree that money is a factor which
anyone is,
is
if
necessary for
anyone
life.
want to forget anyone, if anyone is want to forget anyone, that means they feel for him. All right.
All right, guys.
But only
Feeling.
But only
One-
feeling is not
Just
important for life.
One
If I will think about anyone, and I will sit in my home, I will earn nothing, then how will I alive?
Okay, guys, that's it.
I have to earn something.
1 second.
Yeah.
When we have
1 minute.
yes,
The debate runs high for students who spoke. Money can buy happiness. So there were a lot of points which is when they elaborated their points. But then you also agreed, all three of you agreed on some points. Yes, money is something, money can buy happiness to certain context.
Degree.
So that's it for today. And we look
Thank you, ma'am.
for another session of GD or debate in the next class. So it's good that you already know the rules of debate. Once you are against, keep against, no matter what. Do not fall into
Yes,
the.
ma'am.
Do not fall into.
Abhishek was changing the side.
ma'am.
No, I
yes,
wasn't.
ma'am.
Yeah. And-
Abhishek is from both, ma'am.
yeah.
He was neutral.
No, ma'am. I was saying that money is important, but money is not everything.
Yeah, money is never everything. But in a GD, you can speak for and against, and you get
Yeah.
advantages or disadvantages. But in a debate, stick to a point.
He was
Speaking for.
he forgot the topic every time. The topic was only that money can buy happiness or not. He was talking about everything can buy money.
Stick to the topic.
My network is really.
Yeah, otherwise, very
Okay,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. And I'm happy. That's it for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.